Hello, friend, and how are you doing? So today let's discuss about the YLM Arcmead LTD charge on your credit card. So possibly you've seen these. There is a group that I belong to, and someone complained about these. That guys, I saw this charge on my credit card, and I don't know what I've done. I don't know where it come from. Okay, so but after everything, I went on more research and other people in the group also. So we're able to now know that it comes from a brand called Angel Metia Empire, okay, which is a health company, and your bill will always be charged at YLM Arcmead Limited, okay. So it will be charged as YLM Arcmead Limited, okay. So possibly maybe you've seen the charge. Just know that it comes from Angel Metia Empire. I don't think that's an English company, okay. So I don't know where the company comes from, but that's just what we've been able to get from the research. And from my research also, I've been able to see that it's a registered company, and there might have been a scenario whereby you have bought something from this company, so it is not a charge, but it can be an error from their head also. So you need to look back and see maybe there is any health company that you've purchased some of their service recently, or maybe purchased a product from them recently, or anything. Just look back, look at yourself, check yourself well, and see if you've purchased anything from an health company recently. So that is why this can happen. But maybe if it is not like that, then it can also be an error from their hand. But however, errors like this don't just happen, because how would they have been able to get access to your credit card? So it's mostly from people who have possibly bought something like from this health company. Okay. But however, we're going to be discussing more about best measures that you can put into place. As you know, that I try as much as possible to talk about my best measures, so I don't just stop my videos in maybe telling you where the charge comes from. So best measures are important, because even though you know where the charge comes from, what about what you should do next? Okay. So let's talk about some things you can do next in case you encounter any erroneous charge from a registered health company like Angel Metia and Per, which is being charged as YLM Arcmead Limited. Okay, so in case you see these, the first thing you want to do is that you want to first review the charge. Okay, so you want to try as much as possible to carefully review the charge and any related documentation or receipts to confirm that it is indeed an error. Okay, because sometimes some charges might not be an error, it might be that it's a legitimate charge, like it's not an error charge, whereby maybe you've made a purchase and maybe it doesn't work at first and now you are now being charged. So you need to know that, right? And in case you review and you see that okay, truly it's an error charge or maybe an illegitimate charge, you can contact the health company. Okay, so you can reach out to the billing department of the health company. Okay, and to report the error. All right. And from my research, I've been able to see these on the screen. Okay, so you can provide them with details about the charge and why you believe it is incorrect. Okay, so try as much as possible to request a corrected billing. Okay, so because when you reach out to the company, you want to reach out to them, let them know exactly that okay, this is an error charge. Okay, and provide them with details. Okay, that the charge is not legitimate, it is an incorrect charge. Okay, and at the same time you request a correct billing. Okay, so has the health company to review and correct the charge. So you need to request a new accurate bill if necessary. Okay, because when you go ahead and ask the company to review and correct the charge, it helps you. Okay, it helps you to know more better. Okay, so request a corrected bill, and this will help you also at the long run. Okay, and you want to try as much as possible to document everything. So you want to keep detailed record of all communications with the health company. Okay, including dates, time, names of representative, and summaries of conversation. The reason why it's good that you keep the documentation is that from time to time, you got to realize that sometimes even when you reach out to the company, might not find solution to your problem. So when you go ahead and document everything that you've said with them, and you already have records of everything, you can reach out to your credit card issuer, or maybe go ahead reach out to a legal department. So those people, they are gonna ask for more documentation, evidence of everything that you have, to kind of back up your claim that okay, it's an illegitimate charge. Okay, because we have some people also that they lie and they tell people that okay, there's some illegitimate charge, and at the end you got to realize that there is a legitimate charge. Some people don't even have any charge, and they will always claim that there is a charge. So all these companies also are always careful. So when you document everything, it helps you to back up your claim and also serve as an evidence for any type of complaints that you've made. Okay. And you want to try as much as possible to follow up in writing. Okay, so if the issue is still not resolved promptly, you can send a written dispute to the health company. Okay, You can set a written dispute through email or through SMS, but mostly email. Okay, email works, and through the health company. So that way you can include any relevant documentation, okay, any relevant documents such as receipts or previous correspondence, okay. So you can send it to the company of Angel Matia Empire, okay. You can send it to them as a written, written dispute, okay, and attach your receipts or previous correspondence to it also, and also make sure that you contact your insurance provider, okay. So if applicable, you need to involve your health insurance provider. Maybe they may be able to assist in resolving billing errors with the health company, okay. So sometimes reaching out to your insurance provider, yeah, like your health insurance provider, they can go directly to reach out to these health companies because they have more standard force, okay, than you, who is just a normal human being. They have the standard force and they have the legal right, okay. So this way they also help you to the standards your back as your wall, which you can rest upon in case of issues like this. Maybe the health company are not, they are not interested in refunding you, okay. And also you want to dispute the charge with your credit card issuer also. So in case the health company does not resolve the issue, you can contact your credit card issuer to dispute the charge. But that is why it's always important that I talk about documentation, that you provide, you document everything and you provide evidence that the charge is erroneous, okay, and it's illegitimate. So you need to provide documentation, because without that, your credit card issuer won't really take you serious, okay. But documentation is very much needed in these, okay. And always make sure that you monitor your account, check your credit card statements and health company bills to ensure that the erroneous charge or this kind of charge is corrected and there is no further errors that is occurring also, okay. So monitor your account, okay, and your statement. Set up alert, okay. Always set up alerts for your credit card statement. So this way you monitor as everything is going. Sometimes it might not even be from you, it might be from maybe a member of your family, okay. So this way you know all those charges, because most of the time there are some charges that we don't even know about. It might be one of our siblings or maybe your spouse that use your credit card and you don't even know, and you just wonder where does this come from and all that. And it has been coming previously, but you don't just know. It might be from past 2 months, okay, that it happened, and now maybe there another thing like that occurred again, but you don't know. But maybe you've already monitored your card statement like last 2 months, you will be able to see that and quickly know that okay, this is where it comes from. But a lot of people don't monitor their card statement, and that is why this happens to them. Okay, so you want to also file a complaint if necessary. So if the health company and your credit card issuer does not resolve the issue, so you can consider filing a complaint with the Better Business Review, okay, the BBB, or your local customer protection agency, okay. So this way they help you also to stand out, okay. And also make sure that you stay vigilant, okay, to make sure that you continue to monitor your credit card statements and health related bills to catch any future error promptly, okay. So this is what I have for you in today's video. And also possibly maybe you've encountered this charge from YLM Arcmead Limited, charging your credit card from Angel Matia Empire, okay. You can let us know, okay. Maybe you've seen this kind of charge, YLM Arcmead Limited, charging your credit card. Let us know also, and let us know what you've done, okay. Maybe you are able to provide a solution. Let us know what you did and how you are able to resolve it, and if it's actually from this company called Angel Matia, let us also know. But if it's not, let us know, okay. We are all here to rub minds together, because everything I just teach here is all about what people ask from the for my group, and I just go ahead to possibly give you guys my best advice right here on YouTube, okay. So thank you very much. I really appreciate your time, and I hope this video is very helpful for you to resolve this issue. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you very much, and I will see you in another credit card tutorial. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.